Hello, I'm David Dobbs, Director of Technical Services and Product Manager at Guilford Flooring. Today I'm going to present Floormuffler LVT from Diversified Foam, the leader in acoustical underlayment. Floormuffler LVT was specifically designed to go under the hottest category in flooring today, luxury vinyl tile. Floormuffler LVT is a premium grade, highly engineered, cross-linked polypropylene foam and is the ideal choice for most commercial and residential applications. With an impact insulation class rating of 69 and a sound transmission class rating of 66, it provides unsurpassed through-the-floor and footfall noise reduction. Floormuffler LVT is moisture, mold, and mildew resistant and is warmer and softer underfoot. It's lightweight, strong, and flexible, making it easy to handle and install in nearly all installations. Floormuffler LVT is available in 100 square foot rolls and 600 square foot rolls and our ever popular Ultra Seal with lip and tape. And Floormuffler is made in the USA. Floormuffler LVT can be used under floating LVT and can be glued direct for all dry-backed LVT using the Floormuffler High Performance Adhesive System. Let me show you how easy it is to install the Floormuffler. The flooring should be installed over the rough side of the Floormuffler LVT. Simply pull out the plastic lip. After rolling out the second piece, pull the blue covering tape off the main tape and stick the Floormuffler one side to the other. Now you're ready to begin your installation of the floating floor. Simply click your pieces together . And there you have it, your floating floor over the top of the Floormuffler LVT. When installing the Floormuffler LVT Glue Direct, simply roll out your Floormuffler LVT, lining up the seams, fold one side back, use a piece of towel as a weight to hold it down, and then fold the other side back. Then using your Floormuffler pad adhesive and using a 1/16 by 1/16 by 1/16 square notch trowel, spread your adhesive. Allow 15 to 30 minutes open time for the adhesive to flash off. Next, lay each side back in place. Using a 35-pound roller or equal, smooth out all the air bubbles in the pad. Next, using a moisture-resistant tape, seal all the seams. Now you're ready to spread the other side of the pad adhesive. Next, using a 1/16 by 1/16 by 1/16 V-notch trowel, you are now ready to spread the Floormuffler LVT adhesive on top of the Floormuffler LVT. Allow the adhesive to dry to a clear, tacky state before installing the LVT. After laying the floor, use a 75 to 100 pound 3-section roller. Rolling should take place immediately after the flooring is placed into the adhesive.